Go like me, I start.
What me say? It's only right. It's only right.
Only right.
Nice.
Yo. Well, make sure them out. Get my order correct.
Petrol hot. Look here. Me only for me down yo.
Guys, we are the same size.
Oh, you know, me see woman take piece of chicken put on her breast. And me that go tell you about me never want to say nothing. She shouldn't fuck to me. Oh God.
Go. Yeah.
How?
You gonna pray before you can.
Oh, me didn't forget some. Shut the eye, me say prayer. Thank you, Jah. Me wake up this morning bright in the journey before me start. Yeah. Oh, what my youth? You go stop take the body. I mean, I go boom the back in the head. You know, my youth.
Me never said no cartel prayer. I said pray to God.
Oh, true. Give me faith, oh Jah, to carry on.
Right, listen. Pray for yourself. You pray for me. Because I don't know if you're God or you. I don't know you're going in there Sunday.
Say you want a prayer.
Yo, me general! Yo, hold on, get that.
Go.
Let me get a seat.
No, man, don't come.
Go back a bit there, Chama. Go back a bit there. Me petrol. So now deal with it.
Do I want?
Me there, man. Me there.
What I do? Hot door.
Yo, you know, so I come over here a little while. And me I think to myself, say,
right.
You know, say nice and troubles did there. So me I go buy 3 food. Me I buy 3 food for 3 away. And it look like say me forgot my wallet, because me got the place. No wallet, so gonna enjoy myself there do, man. Fried chicken.
Actually agree with it. I don't know the flex. Yeah, man.
Actually agree with that?
Well, fine.
Yo, you know, me there remember the day when you dey hungry and me dey have a pizza and me share it with the two of you. The day that me remember.
When?
You hungry? Yeah. Alright, now remember, you know, how far me and I come from. We know, all this. Remember, you're my friend, all that. That's yeah. Me not eat none. Me don't want none. Who can eat it? Me tell you, who can eat it? Me not eat none. Me don't want none. Yes, that's what me like so happy. Eat up. Take a picture and rape them and I eat. You might enjoy chicken.
No, hold on. You say I'm grateful. God bless.
Thank you. No, I know so you go. I lie. So where you go?
Brother, please.
Dog, when you no brother please me nothing. When you no get to no food, you no give me none. No, not get none.
Dog, look.
Play your game now, dog. You only move no man. No, not get
even
none.
if a piece of bone, please. For real?
No. That not sound like me.
Are you
That not me. Me never go to none. Millie, you in the head with pizza box are you?
I almost kill him.
Dog, gonna lie, how wicked do I now?
Where your food set up over the back? Why? I kick.
Like one down. Food bad.
Bad.
You can smell it, man. You eat off all your vegetables?
I make strong. I be strong.
And you like your vegetables there? Woo! Me say me hungry, see boy. I don't know if you can hear my belly from one of them. I hungry and nice.
Yeah.
Just bust me from piece of food, man. Me and you no grocer, a long time I know you.
You're too mean. Why is it all up on my mouth? And where you do?
From morning me no eat. From morning me no eat. Me I tell you before you tell me. From morning me no eat. Nice, let me actually smell. Let me smell it right. Wanna kill me? Flip is that chicken wanna kill me?
Hold on then, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it end up in